Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car, the 2025 Hyundai Sonata, a vehicle that continues to redefine the midsize sedan segment with its blend of style, performance, and technology. Whether you're considering adding this beauty to your garage or simply curious about its offerings, this comprehensive review will provide you with all the insights you need. Exterior design. The 2025 Sonata showcases Hyundai's commitment to bold and innovative design. Its sleek, coupe-like silhouette is both aerodynamic and visually striking. The front fascia features a prominent grille flanked by sharp LED headlights, giving the car a distinctive presence on the road. The seamless integration of the daytime running lights adds a touch of sophistication, while the sculpted lines along the sides enhance its sporty appeal. At the rear, the continuous C-shaped taillights provide a modern touch, ensuring the Sonata stands out from every angle. Interior comfort and features. Step inside the Sonata, and you're greeted by a spacious and meticulously crafted cabin. High-quality materials adorn the interior, with soft touch surfaces and available leather upholstery elevating the luxury feel. The driver-centric dashboard is both functional and stylish, featuring a large touchscreen infotainment system seamlessly integrated into the center console. Ambient lighting sets the mood, and the ergonomic design ensures that all controls are within easy reach. Passenger comfort is paramount in the Sonata. Both front and rear seats offer ample legroom and support, making long journeys a breeze. The rear seats can comfortably accommodate 3 adults, and the 60/40 split folding feature adds versatility to the cargo space. Speaking of cargo, the Sonata boasts a generous trunk capacity, ensuring you have plenty of room for luggage, groceries, or any other essentials. Performance and handling. Under the hood, the 2025 Sonata offers a range of powertrains to suit various driving preferences. The base model is equipped with a 2.5-liter inline-4 engine, delivering a balanced mix of power and efficiency. For those seeking a bit more excitement, the turbocharged 1.6-liter engine provides enhanced acceleration and responsiveness. For the performance enthusiasts, the Sonata N-Line is a standout. It features a turbocharged 2.5-liter engine producing a robust 290 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. This setup ensures quick gear changes and exhilarating performance, making daily drives and spirited outings equally enjoyable. On the road, the Sonata impresses with its composed handling and smooth ride quality. The suspension system effectively absorbs road imperfections, providing a comfortable experience for all occupants. Steering is precise, offering good feedback to the driver, and the vehicle remains stable and planted even during spirited driving. Fuel efficiency. Hyundai has engineered the Sonata to be both powerful and efficient. The base 2.5-liter engine achieves commendable fuel economy figures, making it an excellent choice for daily commuting and long-distance travel. The turbocharged 1.6-liter variant offers a slight trade-off between performance and efficiency, catering to those who desire a bit more punch without significantly compromising fuel savings. The Sonata Hybrid takes efficiency to the next level by combining a 2.0-liter gasoline engine with an electric motor. It delivers impressive fuel economy numbers, making it an ideal choice for eco-conscious drivers. The seamless transition between electric and gasoline power ensures a smooth and efficient driving experience. Technology and infotainment. The 2025 Sonata is packed with cutting-edge technology designed to enhance the driving experience. The centerpiece is the intuitive infotainment system, featuring a high-resolution touchscreen that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This allows for seamless smartphone integration, enabling you to access navigation, music, and other apps effortlessly. For audiophiles, the available premium sound system delivers crisp and immersive audio, turning the cabin into a concert hall on wheels. Bluetooth connectivity, multiple USB ports, and wireless charging ensure that all your devices remain connected and powered throughout your journey. Safety features. Hyundai places a strong emphasis on safety, and the Sonata is a testament to this commitment. The vehicle comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features designed to protect both the driver and passengers. Standard offerings include forward collision avoidance assist. This system detects potential collisions with vehicles or pedestrians and can apply the brakes automatically to prevent or mitigate an impact. Lane keeping assist gently steers the vehicle back into its lane if it detects unintentional drifting. Blind spot collision avoidance assist monitors blind spots and can intervene to prevent collisions during lane changes. Rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist alerts the driver to approaching traffic when reversing and can apply brakes if necessary. Additionally, the Sonata's robust construction and multiple airbags provide passive safety, ensuring occupants are well protected in the event of an accident. Trim levels and pricing. The 2025 Sonata is available in several trim levels, each catering to different preferences and budgets. The base model offers a generous array of standard features, providing excellent value for money. Adds comfort and convenience features, making it a popular choice among buyers. Plus introduces sportier elements and additional technology features. Limited focuses on luxury, offering premium materials and advanced features. N-Line, the performance-oriented variant, equipped with the powerful turbocharged engine and sport-tuned suspension. Pricing for the Sonata starts at a competitive point, with the base model offering affordability without compromising on essential features. As you move up the trims, additional features and enhancements justify the incremental costs, allowing buyers to choose a model that best fits their needs and desires. Competitor comparison. In the midsize sedan segment, the Sonata faces stiff competition from models like the Toyota Camry, Honda Accord, and Nissan Altima. Each of these vehicles has its own strengths, but the Sonata distinguishes itself with its bold design, comprehensive feature set, and value proposition. Compared to the Camry, the Sonata offers a more modern and tech-forward interior. While the Accord is renowned for its driving dynamics, the Sonata's N-Line variant closes the gap, offering comparable performance with added features. The Altima's available all-wheel drive system is a unique offering, but the Sonata counters with its hybrid variant, catering to those prioritizing fuel efficiency. Ownership experience. Owners of the 2025 Sonata have praised its reliability, comfort, and the peace of mind that comes with Hyundai's warranty coverage. The vehicle's low maintenance costs and strong resale value make it an attractive option for both new and returning customers. Hyundai's commitment to customer satisfaction is evident in the Sonata's build quality and the brand's responsive